Hi, I'm Claire. Today we're talking about strangles, a highly contagious bacterial infection affecting the upper respiratory tract in horses. Your horse can catch this through direct contact with an infected horse or indirectly through contamination in their surrounding area. Strangles is the swelling of the lymph glands below the horse's throat and can develop into painful abscesses. These abscesses can prevent swallowing and cause breathing difficulties, which can be distressing for the horse and lead to serious complications. Other symptoms include thick discharge from their nose, often accompanied by a cough, a high fever, and looking generally unwell. If you spot any of these symptoms, you will need to contact your vet straight away and immediately start taking precautions to prevent any spread. Early diagnosis and treatment is essential for your horse and to prevent the infection from spreading. Bear in mind that not all horses show symptoms, but they can still carry the bacteria. So it's vital to test all new horses that arrive at the yard, as well as having a strict isolation policy in place. Your vet can give you more information on this. You can help your horse recover by following your vet's advice carefully, strict isolation, careful nursing, and keeping hygiene standards tip-top. If any other horses have come into contact with the infected horse or pony, you'll need to monitor them for fever twice a day for at least 2 weeks. It's also really important that you don't take infected horses to any public events, and no new or visiting horses should be allowed into the yard until the vet has given the all clear. So, how do I lower the risk of my horse getting strangles? You can start by isolating any new horses that arrive at your yard. This needs to be done for at least 2 weeks, monitoring them carefully for any of the symptoms we've mentioned. Your vet can also take a blood sample, which will be sent away to be tested. This will give an indication as to whether or not the horse has had recent exposure to the bacteria. Even though there's now a vaccination against strangles in the UK, it's still pretty new, which means very few horses are currently vaccinated. So it's really important that you keep on top of hygiene practices and isolating horses until your vet advises you otherwise. For more pet advice videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or check out our website.